Greetings, friends! Today's art activity is in honor of a special holiday that we are celebrating this week called Earth Day. Earth Day is April 22nd, and it's a day in which we celebrate the earth on which we live. So we are going to create some art inspired by nature. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is collect some objects from outside to use in your artwork. To do that, you might want a bucket or a bag that's large enough to hold several pieces of material. I went outside and I found some leaves, there's some sticks. I found this really cool piece of palm tree. I found all kinds of things. I got some flowers. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the pieces that we find and we're going to arrange them into a collage of an animal. Now, you can pick any animal you want, but everything that you use to create that animal has to come from nature. You could use seashells, mulch, rocks, pebbles, stones, leaves, sticks, whatever it is that you can find outside your front door. Now, when you're collecting objects, some things you might want to take with you. You don't have to, but you might want to consider taking a pair of scissors. Some of the pieces might be easier if you could just cut them instead of having to snap them with your fingers. You might also want to take a pair of gloves so you don't get your hands dirty. And you might want to consider taking some sunscreen and some bug spray in case it's hot outside or there's some bugs flying around. Hopefully, the objects that you collect don't have any bugs crawling on them. You might also need a pair of sunglasses in case it is bright and sunny, and you might want a hat as well. So get your sunglasses, get your hats, get your sunscreen, get your bucket, get your scissors, and we're going to go outside, collect materials. Now, I'm going to create mine outside on the patio because I need a large space for arranging all my objects. Then when I'm done, I can take a picture of it and upload it on Artsonia. So in just a minute, you'll get to see my finished work of art. I can't wait to see the artwork that you're going to create today in honor of Earth Day using our natural materials from outside to create an animal collage.